Hi, wanted to share with you today unboxing of my first ever, and I know they won't be my last, Shoes of Prey heels that have arrived recently. Very excited that these have arrived. Australian company who make to order shoes. So these are just exciting. We have a bit of paperwork in there, but also we have heel grips and toe inserts if we need them in our heels. So let's see what they look like. Look at these cuties. Wow. I wanted a fairly simple classic pair of cords, and I thought these were perfect so that I could just understand the Shoes of Prey ordering system and also the sizing. So when you pop on the Shoes of Prey website, you can fully customize your shoes, so they are uniquely yours. So what I did, you have, with the basic style of the shoe, you can choose your heel height as well as your heel shape, be it stiletto, a block, this classic more solid stable heel. You can change your actual toe shape from pointed to the round shape that I've gone with. Then the actual shape of the shoe, I've gone enclosed side but an open inside here. I could have gone open on both sides, closed on both sides, sling back, multiple different shapes in these shoes. With the leathers, then that's the exciting part when you actually get to colour your shoes. I've gone for this gorgeous basic snakeskin style leather with a patent leather heel and the matching patent leather cap. Then you also can choose your colour sole as well as your colour lining. So it is very functional, very practical, very custom made for your needs and what you love. So these are just perfect. When I did order these, I'm a size 41, and the 41 showed on their website as a 9.5. So that's the original shoe size that I ordered. However, when they did originally arrive, they were a little bit snug. I should have gone for the 10, and these little cuties are the 10s and they fit perfectly. The Shoes of Prey customer service is perfect. You're allowed to actually have your shoes remade a couple of times at no cost. All you have to do is post the incorrect shoes back to Sydney at your cost. However, get this, you can upload your receipt from your postage into your account and that will become a credit on your account. I had an email saying that my remade shoes, so these little puppies, were already being crafted for me even before I sent the 9.5s back. That's perfect customer service in my opinion. So the main points that I love about these, obviously they're uniquely mine. No one else, I doubt, no one else would have exactly this same pair of shoes. They weren't 100% right in size, so I could have them remade at no cost. And they're only $209. I know my husband's watching this, he might go, what? But really, custom-made shoes in leather, and you can have them remade perfectly for $209, perfect. I will definitely be checking out the other styles and ordering some more pairs of these Shoes of Prey.